Okay, so we are hitting the Luling Walmart, and the parking lot is fairly full, but not like crazy people.
Fairly
apocalypse
normal
full.
for a Saturday
This is
morning.
like Luling on a Saturday morning full.
Because people don't know what else to do.
Yes, true. There's
if
not
you
much to do here.
An event like a Mardi Gras parade or something, then it gets
Then
really
it gets
crazy.
packed. I'm surprised there's as many people in the back park, because usually this back row doesn't have anybody.
Oh, that's the people that work here.
Yeah. I thought they parked around like the back.
No, I think they park over here where they can all back in.
Sure.
And
I mean, nobody else parks
nobody
there.
wants to park in West End.
Yeah, so that works.
Okay, let's see if it's Grandparents' Day.
Sorry. Not too bad, actually. Not super crowded, and there's not like a crazy line for pharmacy. Basically just the pharmacy and the health stuff is packed. Everything else is pretty quiet.
Because this is Luling. We haven't gotten to the water yet, though.
Mom's fully anticipating someone breaking a wine bottle and stabbing her, like what happened in Georgia.
That's just crazy.
And of course, the real reason I ever come to Walmart, the mechanical pencils.
Yeah, she knows.
If you're preparing for self-isolation or quarantine, I highly recommend, if you're going to be at Walmart anyway, please swing by the craft section, the art section, and my mom's talking smack about me, and pick up some like engaging things to do with your kids, like some paints or some color pencils, just something so that they actually have something to do while they're at home from school. And I have a lot of tutorials on the channel where we do different artistic techniques together. So if you're here for water and Purell anyway, please make sure you swing by the art supply section and pick up some stuff to keep your kids busy. And even though I'm not normally a fan of kits, even kits like this could be afternoon fun and keep your kids busy and engaged while they're out of school. This was the water aisle. Yes, it was. It's paper products? Are you serious? That was paper towels and toilet paper, and it's all gone. And they do actually still have quite a bit of bottled water here, at least, if that's your jam. But y'all, the taps are still gonna work. The water is still gonna be clean. It's not like after a hurricane where the water source might be polluted. You can still drink tap water. Okay, so this is the dairy section and juice and eggs, and it's pretty wiped out, especially for the juice. That is the cereal aisle, pretty wiped out. The pasteurized shelf-stable juice is also pretty wiped out. Canned and the box stuff is pretty much wiped, but all the fresh stuff that's actually good for you, still plenty of selection. The lines are also not like stupid busy here. Everyone's acting like normal, kind, sane people. So, I don't know. It's nice. Like, it's nice that Luling hasn't devolved into Lord of the Flies. I didn't expect it to, but it's also nice to see that it didn't. So, yeah, that's the Luling Walmart. I bet the Luling Dollar Tree is pretty much the same.